So with e-learning being a big thing these days, you're going to have a lot of PDF documents that you may need to read and review. And so as a support, you might want to have a text-to-speech feature. So here's how you turn it on. So you're in your text. This happens to be a full book text or is it just a short article. It works for either. You're going to hit View. You're going to go to Read Out Loud, and you're going to activate the Read Out Loud. You're then going to go and see. You have some options once it's activated. You can read this page only, read to the end of the document, or you have the ability to just read a paragraph. So you see this box here that is being read to me right now. You can't hear it because I used a cheap free recorder for what I'm doing here, but it only gives you my voice through the microphone versus the computer sounds. So that's fine. You can, I'll assure you that that box is currently being read. If you're going to go ahead and read maybe the whole page, you can stop and start it either from here. So you see pause, you see stop. That's going to be happening through by just touching it, or you can do a Shift Control E, Shift Control C. So you have some options here. You might want to write them down while you're first learning how to use it until it becomes a muscle memory thing. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. It's reading, not that you can hear it, but if I want to change the preferences, I'm going to go to Edit, Preferences, and I'm going to come down to the reading preferences. You can use, you can play with the volume. You can use the default voice. I happen to have changed this before when I was playing with it. Preferred the female voice to the male voice. That was, I think, the default. And then the default speech was pitch at 5, but you could play with that. And then the words per minute, I found 150 was a little faster than I would have liked. I moved it down to 100. I'm thinking 120 might be a better choice for me. It just depends on the kind of text that you're reading and your familiarity with it that you would want to change that in your own personal preference. So you would go ahead and save that, and then you would get a different piece to it. And if you really don't want it on here anymore, you go back to View, Read Out Loud, and you would deactivate it. I hope you find this helpful, and good luck with all of that e-distance learning. Thank you.